Hello, Debbie here. Welcome to another video. Today is my monthly review where I share with you what I completed in July and also share with you my whips or work in progress. I did complete 2 diamond paintings, but I completed them on August the 1st and August the 2nd. So since I didn't complete them in July, I'm not going to show them. I'm also not going to show them as a whip because they are completed, but you will see those 2 as a post review in the upcoming weeks. One was Simon from Captured by Radiance by Romance Art, and then the other one was Father Loon, and that was from the Indigenous collection, and enjoyed both of those. So I'll at least have 2 so far in August. I still have plenty of time. Maybe I will have another one that I can show you guys once end of August hits. Now with my logbook here for July, I still have 26 out of the 26. I did work on 7 whips, and so I'm going to show you those whips in just a few minutes. And I'm not going to show you all of the whips that I have, the 24 left, because I'm going to start doing those quarterly. It's a lot to have to take all those out and then put them all up and find a place to actually record something where I have enough room for all of those whips. But as I work on them, then I will show you guys. So hopefully I will have more whips in the month of August. I did pick out one diamond painting that's going to be my primary diamond painting that I really want to focus on, and that's Miss Tittles by Cheryl Baker from the one with the diamond art. And that one I'm doing for the Cheryl Baker event. I've done that every year since I've had it, and so I thought I'd go ahead and do it again this year. Hopefully I will get her finished or close to it, but I work on her for a few sections, and then I will use my random wheel picker, and then I will let it choose what I'm going to work on next. I did keep Miss Tittles in the whip, in my whip wheel, and so that way she may even get chosen a second time. And then each time that I finish working on a diamond painting, then I'll go back to Miss Tittles, work on that one a little bit, and then just go back and forth for the rest of the month. So I'm going to turn you guys around so you can see the 7 whips. I hope that you enjoy them. Let me know underneath the comments which one is your favorite and if you have done any of these. I don't have these in any particular order. It's just how I pulled them off of Dot, which is my little clothes rack that I have for all of my whips. This one is Whispers of the Forest by Fanera. It is from the one with the diamond art. It's an 80 by 80 centimeter, and it's a square diamond painting. I got a section and a half done on this one. This is very confetti heavy, but I think she is going to be actually stunning once she's done. I may use this one for the event hosted by the one with the diamond art and myself in September. I hadn't decided yet if this is the one that I'm going to do. I am going to the Georgia diamond painting retreat in September, and I might take this one with me, but I keep going back and forth. Do I take a smaller one, or do I want to take a larger one and just spend as much time as possible on that one particular diamond painting? But I absolutely love this. I'm hoping to get back to it also in August, but we'll see what the wheel spin does for me. Next one is my temperature chart, and this is from Diamond Art Studio UK. And this one, if you're not familiar with the temperature chart, it is a temperature a day. I have chose the highest temps for the year, and I'm almost done with July. I have 5 bottles left in July, and then I'll go ahead and start on August. But it is going to be really pretty. The colors that I chose are kind of wild together. It's very bright. I'm going to do another one next year, and that one I think I'm going to go with just 1 color bottles instead of all of these weird colors together. And the colors I chose, it wasn't the colors that Diamond Art Studio UK suggested. I wanted to have more of a span or a short span with the temperatures rather than what they had chosen. So I created my own, which I don't think I did a really good job because this is almost blinding. It is so bright, but it's been a lot of fun. So I am going to work on August, and I usually do this on Sundays. I'd gotten a little behind because I did go out of town twice in July, and I just did not get back to this on Sundays like I should. The last Sunday I didn't do it, but I'll get caught up this Sunday to where I will have July finished, and then I'll have the background of August completed, and then from there I will just do the bottles up until that date. This one is Gilded Serenity by Bot Brush Studios. It's a 70 by 70, and I absolutely love this. It is from Mirthful Diamonds. It is a painting that I've never done before. I've never done such muted tones and monochromatic. I am absolutely loving this painting. I really did not want to stop on it. I wanted to keep working on it, but I stopped myself. I'm hoping that I'll be able to work on it some in August if my wheel picker picks it. And if it does, I'll do a couple more sections again, and then I will put it off. But I cannot wait to get to her actual face, and that's going to be probably a couple more rows, but hopefully I will be able to work on this some. This one's been around for a while. It's been around since April of 2025. This is Cozy Morning Coffee by Hannah Lynn, and it's from Hannah Lynn's own company. I have 2 rows left. 2! I am so excited with that. I got a lot done on this one in July. I was able to get all the cat done. I was able to get even the whiskers. I was able to get her face, and I'm up to her glasses. I was going to bling her glasses up, and I just got into this one and didn't do it. So I did not bling this up at all, which is really unusual for me not to have any bling. It did not come with any special drills, but that's fine. It is 48 colors, square diamond painting. You have your choice of square or round on this one. It's a 60 by 81 centimeter. And if the wheel doesn't choose this, I may just go ahead and go rogue and get at least 1 row done. So I'm getting closer to getting this one finished. I will have a post review on this one. She is absolutely stunning. I did have a slight delay on this one because of all of the color blocking, and it's pretty tight grid. But I am happy with how it's coming out. It is absolutely beautiful, but hopefully I will be able to see a finish on this one in the next month or so. This one is Mermaid Journal. It is from Beach City Boutique, and it is from Kelly Rains, who is the owner of Beach City Boutique. It's a 70 by 70 centimeter. It has a lot of specials. I don't know how many at this point. I do love how the actual border is extended. That is not washi tape. That is actually the border being extended over, and I love the look of that. And I love mermaids. I thought this would be perfect to work on for the summertime. I did get a couple of sections on this one done. This is a square diamond painting. You can choose between square and round, and I love my squares, so I went ahead and chose square on this one. And I just cannot say enough about this company and this diamond painting. The drills fit perfectly. You can hear that awesome snap. And I use a straightener for all my diamond paintings. This one doesn't even really need the straightener because it straightens itself because it is such a good grid. But I am really looking forward to working on this one some more. Also, if you want to see a sneak peek of a Beach City Boutique that I did on snack sizes, and those were sushi, I did that this past week. So I will put that underneath the description if you are interested in looking at that one. One is Lady Liberty, and it is by Hannah Lynn. It's from Hannah Lynn's company. There are 77 colors in this. This one does have special drills in it, and it is a 55.3 by 77.5 centimeters. This one's a round, and I got quite a bit of this done. I only had like one small section, which was really around the left-hand side where she's sitting on the rock. And I was able to get a couple of rows done on this one. I wanted to do it because I thought this was appropriate for the 4th of July, which is what we celebrate in the United States. And I was hoping to get more, but then I stopped on this one and started working on another one. The wheel did not come back and choose this one, so I did not get back to it. And I am really loving the drill field on this one too. I am just going with the process on her skin tone. The skin tone, I think, looks extremely pink, almost as if she has a sunburn, but I'm just going to go ahead and go with it anyway. I know it's hard to render skin tones, and I'm just going to go with the process, see what it looks like whenever I'm done, and hopefully I will be able to work on this some in August. Would love to get some more done before the fall, but if it comes up and it's fall or winter, then I'll go ahead and work on it anyway. I have one more to show you. The other ones that I have in my 26 for 26, those I didn't do anything on them, so I'm not going to pull all those out. I will pull those out at the end of September, first part of October. So I'm going to start doing those quarterly, having all of them come out unless I work on them. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the mystery because I got a lot done on that one. And then if you don't want to see the mystery, that is from the one with the diamond art. It is by Finera. And I looked online today. It is no longer available. I think it was just a limited release for Advent last year. But it is Christmas and you can see what it looks like. So if you have that one, you don't want to see it, you want to be surprised, then go ahead and either look down whenever I do change out the canvas, or go ahead and leave, and then I'll see you on the next one. Go ahead and I'm going to turn this over so you will be able to see what this looks like. Okay, here is the mystery, and I'm loving the colors. The colors are different considering that it is a Christmas diamond painting. I got 5 sections done on this one, and let me tell you, those 5 sections took me a very long time. I can venture to say this is not hand rendered, and I'm okay with that. I love confetti. Some of this, though, does have some, I think, unnecessary confetti, but I think it's going to be extremely pretty whenever it's done, whenever that might be. I'm really hoping that this is going to be done by the end of this year, since it is Christmas. And I may just bring this out maybe in October, November, maybe November, December, bring this out and have it as one of my primary paintings. And on my primary paintings, I will work on it, do a few sections, and then I will roll for another diamond painting. And then once I'm done with that diamond painting, then I'll go back to whichever one that I designated as the main diamond painting for that particular month. That way I can get some more done on several diamond paintings. So I may do that for this one, and then I'm hoping that maybe I can spend quite a bit of time. But one 4x4 section can take anywhere from 3 to 5 hours to complete. And I can only do so many sections at a time, and then I have to take a break because that is a very long time just to get a 4x4 section. I'm hoping that not all the sections are going to be like this, but if they are, they are. I am ignoring the numbers on this. I was doing this as a mystery event, and then decided not to do the mystery event because I just couldn't keep up with the numbers. And so I am just going, whenever I roll for the mystery, I'm just going down the line of where I've stopped, and then I will just go ahead and do that one because I want it to be uniform at this point. I just want to go row for row. So this one, it is fun. I do love it. I wish that if they still had this in stock, maybe they will bring it out this year. I have no idea. I don't know anything about that, but it's fun, but it's a lot of work. So I am really looking forward to seeing this whenever it's finished. And as it progresses, I can see more and more of what it is, but I would like to be able to see even more. I'm kind of guessing now what I think it's going to be, and it probably will be exactly opposite of what I think that it is. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you here. Just click on that subscribe button. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.